Hello and welcome to BoloSign. Today I will explain you about a new feature where you can easily view your signed PDF template responses directly in OneDrive and Dropbox just like you can with Google Drive. Under the document section, we'll click on PDF template, and under the actions, we'll click on these three dots, and there are two options available here: integrate with Dropbox and integrate with OneDrive. I will be explaining you both these integrations one by one so that you can easily view your all responses in these particular platforms. Firstly, I'll click on integrate with OneDrive. As you can see, I have already integrated my platform with OneDrive. That is why I am getting a dialog box. Firstly, to firstly I have to toggle this button to on so that my particular document will be connected to OneDrive folder. And then after toggling it on, then I have to click on select folder, under which folder I will see all my signed responses. Before this, you will get an option to connect to OneDrive. There, you easily have to connect to OneDrive with few of the similar steps which you follow while integrating with other two platforms. Firstly, I will toggle this from off to on. You can see that my Microsoft info has been updated. Now I will click on select folder. Under my OneDrive, I have already created a folder called Bolo Forms. Now I will click on this circle. My this folder in OneDrive has been integrated with my this particular document. Now I will click on select, and my this particular document has been integrated with OneDrive integration. Now I will send this particular document for signing. I will click on send for signature. I will add all the relevant information here. Once my document has been signed, I will again click on this and integrate with OneDrive. Now, if I'll view my folder, I can see that my signed document is being visible here. You can easily send this particular document anywhere, and you can download this also, and you can create any another album from folder, or you can move this also. If I'll click on this, you can see that my signed document is here. You can easily download it whenever required. So this was a easy, simple step where you can easily view your signed documents in your OneDrive account by easily integrating with the particular document which you have to integrate with that particular account. Now I will show you how you can easily integrate with Dropbox. I will again click on the three dots under Actions. Now I will click on Integrate with Dropbox. I have already connected with the Dropbox. That is why I am can see this box that has been appearing on my screen. Now I will toggle this option to on, where now I will click on select folder. You can see I have already created a folder named Bolo Forms under my Dropbox account. I will choose this. I will click on choose. Now, if see you my Dropbox info has been updated. Now, if you will send this particular document for signing, now I will fill in all the required information. I will click on send by email. As you can see, my document has been signed. Now again, when I'll click on PDF template and the three dots, now I'll click on integrate with Dropbox and view the folder. I will click on my Boloforms folder. I will click here. You can see my response has been saved here. This is very easy for all of you to store your responses here by while integrating with few steps with Dropbox and OneDrive. Now, I will explain you about its use case. Firstly, it's all about accessibility. Many business and professionals use multiple cloud storage. By supporting OneDrive and Dropbox, we ensure you can access your signed documents from whenever they are stored. Secondly, it streamlines your workflow. Imagine working on a contract saved in your Dropbox. Instead of manually moving files around, you can now send and receive signed documents all within your existing cloud storage. Thank you.